In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder slides in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever built a presentation and realized the story would flow better with a different sequence, this is a quick, reliable way to rearrange your slides without changing any of your content. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. You can open it the same way you open any app on your system, and once it's running, you'll see the main workspace with the slide area in the center and a panel on the left that shows thumbnails of your slides. That left panel is where we'll do most of the work. Next, open your presentation file so you can see the slides you want to reorder. Once your deck is visible, take a moment to glance at the thumbnails on the left. Each small preview represents a slide, in the exact order they'll play. This makes it easy to spot where a slide needs to move. Now, hover over the slide you want to move in the left panel. Click and hold on its thumbnail. Keep the mouse button held down as you begin to drag. You'll notice that LibreOffice highlights the thumbnail and lets you carry it up or down the list. If your presentation is long, move your cursor toward the top or bottom edge of the panel to auto-scroll through the deck. This is helpful for jumping across many slides without letting go. As you drag, watch for a thin horizontal line that appears between slides. That line is your exact landing spot. Position the line where you want the slide to go, and then release the mouse button. The slide drops into place, the numbering updates, and everything attached to that slide, like notes, animations, and transitions, comes along with it. If you're moving several slides together, you can select more than one thumbnail before you drag. Hold Shift to select a continuous range, or hold Control to pick individual slides, then drag the group the same way. If you ever drop a slide in the wrong place, don't worry, use Undo to instantly revert the move and try again. A couple of quick tips as you work. If the thumbnails feel small, widen the left panel so you can see them more clearly. This makes precise placement easier. And remember, reordering slides doesn't change the content on them, it only changes the sequence, helping you refine the flow of your presentation. That's all there is to it. Launch Impress, open your deck, click and hold the slide you want to move, and drag it until the horizontal line shows your target position. Release to drop, and your presentation is reordered in seconds.